I welcome you to another transformative episode of Thought Matters. Today, we embark on an awe inspiring journey, transcending the boundaries of individual identity and immersing ourselves in the boundless oceans of pure being. In this profound exploration, we'll peel away the layers of self understanding that we are more than our physical forms, our thoughts, and our emotions. We merge with the essence of pure being, a state of beyond the limitations of our ego, a state of timeless existence and profound tranquility. Imagine shedding the weight of labels and expectations surrounding and surrendering to the vastness of the universe. Let's dive deeper into this beautiful journey of transcendence where our true essence lies. As we explore level 10 of consciousness, unity with the ultimate reality or cosmic consciousness, this level beckons us to recognize our inherent connections with the grand tapestry of the cosmos. It's about understanding that we are not isolated entities, but integral parts of a vast and interconnected universe. We're waves in the same ocean of consciousness. When we realize this entity, we tap into an immense reservoir of wisdom and love. We resonate with the universal heartbeat, and our actions align with the cosmic flow. Now, let's dive deeper into this ocean of understanding and connectivity. Continuing our voyage through the realms of consciousness, let's unfold yet another layer of our exploration, pure being and oneness. At this pinnacle of consciousness, we come to fully realize the profound interconnection of all existence. Every being, every particle, every thought, all intricately linked in a dance of existence. We comprehend that our actions ripple through this interconnected web, affecting all. With this understanding comes great responsibility and compassion. Let's embrace this realization and its transformative power, not just for ourselves, but for the world around us. Dear listeners, we've traveled through the remarkable realms of consciousness, reaching the zenith of level 10, pure being and oneness. The path we walked is profound, enlightening, and transformative. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude for joining me in this exploration. Your presence, your curiosity, and your open hearts have made this journey truly meaningful. Remember, the essence of pure being and oneness resides within us all. Thank you for being part of Thought Matters. This is Leroy Glover signing off with immense gratitude and love. Until next time, keep exploring the boundless universe within.